TV Migori.
Komiti marango kaka ikete tim lipod NADCO ochopo Kisumu kendo limo tend county ma Kisumu kama kaka ne giloso kawuono motelo okinyi.
So, good morning, members of the Fourth Estate. We are here today, this morning, receiving a team on the implementation of the NADCO report. They are going around the country, and I think Kisumu is the first stop.
Yes, it is.
And they will be engaging with the public on the matter that is now beforehand, implementation of the NADCO report. Now, I think they have the details, but I must say that we are grateful, first of all, that we are the first county where they are visiting, but secondly also that they'll be able to engage with our people and with the leadership of the county of Kisumu on various matters that are contained, especially in the 10-point agenda. It is important that this country remembers where we are coming from. I mean, the NADCO report and the 10-point agenda was born out of the need to bring the country together, because at that point in time, basically, there was what I would call a great division in our country. So the NADCO report and the 10-point agenda that we are implementing basically closed that gap. And it's important that we push through the implementation of the report, we push through with the implementation of the 10-point agenda, so that the issues that were, basically brought to the table from both sides of the political divide, when resolved, then Kenya can then move on together to tackle the many other challenges, that are facing us. The matter of corruption still remains a very, very sticky issue. The matter of inclusivity remains a very sticky issue. The matter of strengthening devolution remains another very sticky issue. And again, for Kisumu, the matter of compensation of victims of post-election violence, those who died, those who were maimed, and those who lost property, which is part of the 10-point agenda, I think still remains something that we'd like to see implemented. But I must say at this point that we appreciate His Excellency the President for the deliberate effort. I think even the fact that the committee is here is something that we need to applaud the President for. I think he's already out in the country trying to bring our country together. And I think that it is important that, from whichever side of the country you live in, we join the President in his unity efforts, in his effort to build bridges of unity, bridges of development, and so that Kenya really can move on as one country. I think it is time that we refocus. Okay, I know we were going to Canaan, but it is still possible to reach Canaan through Singapore. So I think that this is really one of the engines, that should propel us. If this is sorted, chair, then I think we are closer to Singapore, we are closer to Canaan than if we would be if the issues that you're talking about now will remain unresolved. Yeah.
Thank you very much. We wish to appreciate. We wish to appreciate the reception that we've had at the county government of Kisumu. Really appreciative that we have come in and we're able to move on to meet the public, especially for our public forum, so that we can articulate all the issues in the 10-point agenda as they have been already articulated, starting with the full implementation of the NADCO report, issues of inclusivity, devolution being very key, and even as we move into the counties, finding ways to continue to protect.